Hi, my name is Sho. I'm corporate counsel at a company that's in the senior living referral service industry, and I give RingCentral Office a rating of 4 out of 5. So I've used RingCentral Office since I joined the company in 2018. Our corporate employees use RingCentral Office. I never used a software application in my previous roles to make calls from my work laptop, so it's very convenient to get a hold of one of my colleagues because the company has a presence in almost all 50 states. So sometimes you need to get a hold of someone via phone and you can't see them in person. I really like RingCentral Office. It's very convenient when you need to get a hold of someone in the company. Sometimes Zoom is not available. It could be experiencing technical issues, or the person I called, I'm not supposed to be using Zoom. I also like that when someone leaves me a voice message, I'll receive a notification with the voice message as an email attachment. So I don't need to open up RingCentral to know that someone left me a message. Another feature that I really like is the fax functionality. In my line of work, I occasionally have to send faxes, and it's convenient, especially during a pandemic when we're all working from home and there isn't a printer available. What I don't really like about RingCentral Office is that it appears that I have to have it opened in order for me to receive calls. It doesn't take up that much space in my window, but sometimes I forget to open it. Another item that I'm not a fan of is that when I place a call, I can actually choose one of the company's numbers as the number that will show up on the recipient's caller ID. I just wish it defaulted to my direct line number, but it doesn't, and so every time I have to change it manually.